All right, so now we are going to go into the practical section, and where I'm going to do a solution to the assignments that I just gave now. So this is the article that I gave as an assignment. So you are going to write the post title, you are going to write this is the body of the post, and also next we have the image, and after the image we have the headings, we have the kind of formatting here, and also we have list, another heading, and a button here. So I'm going to walk you through on how to create something like this. So if you have been able to get it right, then congratulations. But if you have not been able to get it right, or some part is still missing out, you might want to watch this tutorial to see how you can be able to do that. So now I'm going to go into the post section of my site, then I'll click on add new. So add new is when you want to add a new post. So when you click on add new, then it's going to take you into the post editor. So once you are in the post editor, then you add the title. So the title here is hello, grab a coffee. So that's the title, and I have the post introduction here, which is a coffee is a beverage made by infusing the beans of the coffee plant in hot water. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to highlight and copy it to save time, and here I have the aspect where I'm going to write the body of the post. So I'm just going to paste it there, put a full stop here. So you can also type it instead of using the copy and paste mode, but because I'm using it as a solution to the assignment, so I'm just going to copy and paste it there. So once you are done with that, the next part is the image. So as you can see on this screen, we have the coffee cup and a phone that has a Twitter screen, a Twitter snapshot on the screen. So I'm going to insert the image there by clicking the plus block here and then selecting image. So once I select image, then click on media library. So once you click on media library, then select the picture that you want to use, select it. So, and I have another heading here, what you can use a coffee for. So if you want to use a heading, so I've discussed about how to use a paragraph block and the image block. So here I'm going to use an heading block. So what you have to do is click on plus, then search for heading, then click on heading here. So after click on heading, click on what you can use a coffee for. So then after having that, and I'm going to type this, whether you are a developer. So I'm just going to copy this to save time again, then paste it here. So we have the name block here, so paste it there. So but what I'm going to do here is so that you can know how to format a post. So let's say this is the headings block. So if you want to add a paragraph block, all you have to do is click on plus, then click on the paragraph block. So it's going to take you to the paragraph block, and then you can type whatever you want to type. So whether you are a developer, a designer, a creative, a businessman, or needed to draw a source of inspiration, a source of inspiration. A cup of coffee can come to the rescue. Okay. So there's the part here that we actually formatted, so as you can see it kind of italic and bold. So if you want to do that in your post body, so you first highlight the text that you want to bold and italic. So once you've highlighted, then you click on B for bold and I for italic. So you can also do the same for the text that you want to lay an emphasis on. So here I want to do it for a developer, a designer, a creative, and a businessman. So that's what I want to lay an emphasis on. So once I'm done that, so the next one is, then I want to create another heading. So, and the heading is how to get a cup of coffee. How to get a cup of coffee. So after typing that, you can now change it. You can also change a block from paragraph to heading. So if you want to change it, click on here and then you click on heading, and then here I'm going to make it heading 3. So we have H1 to H6, and this is arranged based on the level of importance. So the first, the one here, which is what you can use a copy for, is heading 2, which is H2. But now I'm going to make this one H3. So now then we move on to how you can get a couple of copies. So what I use here is called list. So then you click on if you want to make a list, then you click on plus and you search for list. So click on list. So when you click on list, then it's going to show you something like a bulletin. So when you have this bulletin, then you type your first paragraph: walk into a coffee shop. You press enter to add another line: order for a coffee. Press another line: your coffee is done. So, and that's that. So if you want to cancel the list there, you just press the enter key twice. So now the next part is adding a button inside my post. So if you want to add a button inside my post, then you click on plus sign and you search for button, then click on it, and then you can now write your text here. So under the text here, then you can now say click here to order for a cup of coffee. And that's how to go about writing the exact article. So if you want to see how it's going to look like, you can preview it, which I've already discussed earlier. So click on desktop, and if you want to see how it's going to look on phone, you can click on mobile. If you want to see how it's going to look on tablet, you can click on tablet also. So now you click on preview in it tab to see how it's going to look on desktop. So this is how it's going to look on desktop, which is the exact similar thing that was seen in the screenshot being attached as an assignment. So that's everything that you need to know about making use of blocks to write your existing article.